Hi! Do you got your backpack? Is that your backpack? Where are you going? What's inside there? Oh. Boop, boop, boop. You bumped into the wall. Turn around. There. Bring it this way. Show Mama. Bring it this way. Oh, baby. Oh, no. Let's put baby inside your backpack. Take baby for a ride. Here she goes. Here you go. Take baby for a ride. Go the other way. Oh! There's your other baby. Want to put the other baby in there? Need Mama's help. Let's put the other baby. There's two babies in here. Okay, take her for a ride. Here she goes. Take her for a ride. Go wee. Here, hold it. You hold it. Oh, sorry, you hold it. Oh, I wasn't trying to do it. I was trying to help. Okay, bye-bye. Are you taking babies for a ride? Whoa! Bye!